Ayun, hello guys, again I'm Ralph. I'm from Baguio and I'm a fraghead. And today I'm excited to share to you a review of a local perfume. Now I have this series in here na I'm doing where I share to you local niche perfumes in my collection, and I also share to you why I love them. So as you can hear sa ngayon, no, maulan. Actually, maulang hapon po ngayon sa Baguio. At napaka-fitting lang, saktong-sakto. Kasi yung perfume na i-review ko, sakto po sa weather sa ngayon. No? So without further ado, guys, this is called Champ from the local niche house of Domo Cemeterius. Shout out Sir Paul Prestado and your team. No, and this is in collaboration with the Filipino knows himself, Sir Renato Lopena Jr. So ayan, no, Champ, no, as the name implies, this is inspired, no, sa isa sa go-to na comfort food natin, lalo pag maulan, no, breakfast man yan or merienda. Champurrado, no, champurrado is a chocolate rice porridge, no. So yeah, no, this utilizes, guys, ang galing, this utilizes a champurrado accord, no. So you could smell talaga yung parang steam ng champurrado dito. Ang galing, napakagaling, no. And scent profile, no, this also has chocolate na smell, no, and I believe, no, kasama nung champurrado accord kasi this is almond, no. So siguro that creates that chocolate na smell, di ba? I don't know kung ginagawa nyo to, yung champurrado, minsan bumibili tayo ng chocolate, di ba, tas sinahalo natin sa champurrado and of course sa gatas. Ganun yung smell niya for me. Pero interestingly, no, this has this watery, airy background sa akin, creating for me not only the smell of champurrado, pero yung experience of eating a champurrado sa maulan na panahon. So ang galing, no. This is ito yung sinasabi ko na may transportive na kakayahan, no, or power or ability ang perfumes, no. It takes us to certain points or places in our lives, no. So here's what I visualize, no. Of course, no, yung scent profile, champurrado na may chocolate, tapos it has this airy background. Pero here is the experience, no, na naalala ko sa akin. Imagine kauwi mo from school ng hapon, no, at umuulan, no, at may naka-prepare ng champurrado for you, no. Tapos you are smelling yung steam ng champurado, no, and napaka-peaceful lang nung moment. Tapos binuksan mo yung TV, no, at nanonood ka ng favorite na 90s na anime series mo, no. Tapos occasionally you are looking outside, no, tinitingnan mo yung pagpatak ng ulan sa ground, tapos yung tumutulo na ulan, no, from your window. So yung moment na yun, di ba, napaka-peaceful, napaka-comforting, yung feeling na galing ako sa school, malakas yung ulan, and finally I'm home, finally I'm able to rest, no. And for me, yun yung naging symbol ng champurrado for me, 'di ba? It's not just a delicious na merienda or breakfast, 'di ba? It's a symbol of comfort, it's a symbol of home for you, 'di ba? So you know, ang galing lang ng Champ kasi it takes you to that moment, 'di ba? And looking at it, 'di ba? Looking back, halimbawa 25 years ago, mas simple pa yung buhay. Ngayon kasi mas komplikado. Pero that's the power of perfumes, no? It takes you to a peaceful place. It takes you to a moment of pause, di ba? Despite sa napakagulong mundo sa ngayon, napaka-complicated na time sa ngayon, di ba? Somehow perfumes, no, takes you sa mga places na yon. So yeah, no, I just want to thank Sir Renato Lopena and Sir Paul Prestado for Champ, no. Napakagaling nito, napaka-masterful ng pagkakagawa. This is truly niche and truly Filipino. So guys, no, nakakatuwa to no, definitely check this out, no, and dahil sa amoy nito nakakagutom, no, actually, no, meron kaming champurado, so ayan, no, no, it's time na magmerienda na. So yun lang guys, thank you so much at ingat mo lahat.